This is a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.
Hello, I'm Chris Daly, and here with me today is Dr. Rosalyn George with Wilmington Dermatology Center. Welcome, Dr. George. Great to have you back.
Thank you for having me, Chris.
Of course. So we're in April. We're in spring now. People are getting outdoors more. Is there a way that we can do that safely and still protect our skin?
Absolutely. I kind of joke all the time. I'm a dermatologist, but I love coastal living and I'm outside all the time. But there are definitely ways that you can protect yourself. And so the biggest thing is wearing sunscreen. That should be done every day regardless. At least an SPF of 30. It should say broad spectrum, and that means it protects against both the UVA and the UVB rays. So SPF 30, broad spectrum, and then it will no longer say waterproof on it. It'll say 80 minutes water resistant. So you want to kind of find one that says that 80 minutes on there. There are lots of great brands out there. There's not one that I say, oh, you have to have this. We sell one called Elta in our office that people tend to like. I think the biggest thing people complain about is the sunscreen feels icky. So you can just have to try it. You have to try it and find one that works for you. Okay. And then to not forget about hats and protective clothing. I constantly am wearing cute cover-ups, wearing a cute hat, wearing my sunglasses. So it's really important to cover up as well. Right. And then we also recommend people get skin cancer checks. You know, we've had lots of damage. Not everybody's great about wearing sunscreen, so it's really important that you come in and get checked. And you want to check yourself at home too. We talk about the A, B, C, D, E's of melanoma. So yes. A is asymmetry, B is weird border, C is changing color, different colors, D is diameter, anything bigger than a pencil eraser, and then anything new and changing.
Great, so we need to keep all that in mind when we're checking our skin at home.
Absolutely.
Great. Well, thank you so much. Great information. For more information, check them out on WilmingtonDermatologyCenter.com and also on social media.
For more details, go to Health First on WECT.com.